Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Residents of Rockfort have been speaking out against the unrelenting violence plaguing their community over recent weeks. Sadly, that is not the only area.
One of you are tear down. You there? Bumbo clap. Man buck up in a man, you know. Whoa, sick. Yo! Blood! Yo, you hear that thing pass? See, you hear that whistle pass? You know you're not.
Usually, men are the center and at the forefront of these exchanges, but we oftentimes fail to realize the roles women have had and continue to play in these situations. The role of women in the type of gang and gun violence that is playing out in the Rockfort area of St. Andrew is nothing new. Some women help to protect gunmen from rival gangs and the police. They wash bloody clothes and nurse the men to health when they are hurt. Some women are even in the midst of the violence plaguing places in Kingston, playing a key role in supporting them. For example, the supermarket worker who was shot and killed by a lone gunman that was caught on camera in Westmoreland recently is believed to have been pointed out by a woman. Residents in Rockfort have also suggested that a female was a passenger in the front of a car that carried out a drive-by shooting in Rockfort recently. This situation has greatly been shown up by a voice note that was allegedly recorded during a shootout in Rockfort and has been circulating on social media. It points to the help and role of women and what women are doing during these gang feuds and turf wars.
Viewer discretion is advised.
The voice note begins with the exchange of gunfire, lasting for 4+ minutes. This is believed to have occurred when warring factions from Jarrett Lane and Oliver Road in East Kingston exchange gunfire, with gunshots raining down from everywhere. There was confusion, even panic. Followed by more gunfire, and it then appeared that someone got shot. Listening to the voice note carefully, it is very evident that the men are in charge, while the women are very seasoned in the roles they play.
Take up them there. 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 King, take up them there. Take up them there. Give me something of a friend. What are you doing? It's not the run. Take him off.
Members of the security forces call these women spotters, as they are usually placed at very strategic spots to look out for members of the JCF, JDF, or potential enemies.
Police!
Many times, women are believed to act as nurses, nursing wounds and caring for injured gangsters. Women also move ammunition to these gangsters and in some cases provide guidance.
So now go left, don't listen. Then let's go live empty. I'm not police.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, 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 beat and teach.
So peeps, the people that are living on the street and know the street run know say a long time this a go on. You understand what I mean? So some persons are just becoming off with this practice and are just realizing the integral roles that women are playing in these conflicts. You understand what I mean? So many times you hear say a man get shot, saying it's a woman point him out, or him probably diss her in a fear head and him go tell her, she go tell her boyfriend or her brother or uncle or her shatter friend, somebody. You understand what I mean? I say something. Seeing, so do not underestimate the roles that women are currently playing in criminality in Jamaica. You understand what I mean? I say it is deep rooted. It is just that, you know, a woman they really talk like that again and really figure it out. But try be like me not trust nobody. You understand what I say? And just like how men are wicked, women are wicked too. Seeing some people are gonna argue it and say they grew up in the communities, they not have no other choice, and even if they want to get out, them can't get out because them fear them life, them fear for them life and something. You understand? But these are the same women who come out, come cry and bawl for justice and cry blood, say the man them are not criminal, you understand, a good youth them and them never involved in a criminality when them are hide the gun and I wash the bloody clothes them and a nurse injures them, you understand. You see me I say, so you can't trust them, you understand. So I know some people are going to teach you what go on. You see circumstances and situations alter cases and some of them don't have no options. For me personally, I think there are always options in life. You understand? Some people are just not brave enough to take options or make choices, seeing fearing reprisal, fearing for their family, fearing for a lot of things. See? But until you take a stance, then you haven't taken a stance. You see me I say, we have to make sacrifices sometimes to achieve the greater good. That just my take on the thing still. You see me? But the long and short of the story is that women, they are cruel creatures just like men and even more cruel than men if you come to the test sometime. You understand what I say? Because women don't really think more time before them do things, you know, them do it and them think about it. You see me I say? So it rough. See, you don't know who to trust, you don't know, because boy, we couldn't sit down and talk about this the whole day, but I'm gonna leave it here. So I'm just say peeps, be careful, and ladies, boy, I don't know if you're telling us still. I'm gone here. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.